Dear students, previous classes we will discuss about five kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom system of classification is proposed by R.H. Whittaker in the year 1969. Includes five kingdoms. They are namely first kingdom Monera, second kingdom Protista, third kingdom fungi or fungi, fourth kingdom Plantae, fifth kingdom Animalia. So this five kingdom system of classification totally we will detailed description about the previous classes. Now today we are going to discuss about another kingdom system of classification, that is sixth kingdom system of classification. This is a last kingdom. Dear students, first kingdom system of classification is proposed by Aristotle, that is Aristotle system of classification. Next one, two kingdom system of classification is proposed by Carl von Linnaeus. Next one, three kingdom system of classification is proposed by Ernest Haeckel. Four kingdom system of classification is proposed by Coquelin. Next one, five kingdom system of classification is proposed by R.H. Whittaker. Next, coming to sixth kingdom system of classification is proposed by Carl Woese. Carl Woese. Don't confuse here. We is proposed by first kingdom system of classification, that is Aristotle. This is a Aristotle system of classification. We is proposed by two kingdom system of classification, that is Carl von Linnaeus. We is proposed by three kingdom system of classification, that is Ernest Haeckel. We is proposed by four kingdom system of classification, that is Coquelin. We is proposed by five kingdom system of classification, that is R.H. Whittaker. We is proposed by six kingdom system of classification, that is Carl Woese. That is Carl Woese. Dear students, Carl Woese proposed six kingdom system of classification. So he replaced kingdom Monera with two distinct kingdoms, that is bacteria and archaea. Five kingdom system of classification, especially first kingdom Monera. Monera includes Archaebacteria, Eubacteria and Cyanobacteria, Mycoplasmas and Actinomycetes. So dear students, in five kingdom system of classification, that is kingdom Monera includes two types of bacteria are here. One is Archaebacteria, second one is Eubacteria. Second one is Eubacteria. So these two are includes first kingdom Monera. First kingdom Monera. Generally, first kingdom Monera includes Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Mycoplasmas and Actinomycetes. But Carl Woese replaced by kingdom Monera with two distinct kingdoms such as bacteria and archaea. That is, bacteria is one of the kingdom, archaea is another kingdom. Okay, clearly understood. First kingdom Monera. Monera includes Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Both two species are includes same kingdom, that is Monera. But Carl Woese replaced by kingdom Monera with two distinct kingdoms such as one kingdom bacteria and another kingdom archaea. So separated by two kingdoms. Separated by two kingdoms. Not mentioned to the Monera. Not mentioned to the Monera. Only mentioned to the Monera in 3 kingdom system of classification, 4 kingdom system of classification, 5 kingdom system of classification. But especially 6 kingdom system of classification, Carl was not mentioned to the Monera kingdom. So this Monera kingdom replaced by 2 distinct kingdoms, such as one kingdom bacteria, another kingdom archaea. Okay, no? So thus the 6 kingdoms includes bacteria, archaebacteria, protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Don't confuse are here. 5 kingdoms are here: Monera, protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. But 6 kingdoms are here. Monera is replaced by 2 distinct kingdoms, such as bacteria and archaebacteria. Remaining all are similar. Bacteria, archaebacteria, protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. So Carl was based one of the character. Carl was based one of the character to be divided into 2 kingdoms. Then after to be divided into 3 main categories or 3 domains. Monera includes archaebacteria and eubacteria. But Carl was separated by bacteria, that is eubacteria and archaebacteria. So in which characteristics based on the separated by 2 kingdoms, that is using a small subunit of ribosomal RNA. Carl was using a small subunit of ribosomal RNA such as 16S rRNA. 16S rRNA. 16S, S means subunit, small r means ribosomal, RNA, ribonucleic acid, as a marker for studying evolutionary relationship. Is studying for evolutionary relationship. So based on the evolutionary relationship, to be one characteristic feature, that is 16S rRNA. 16S rRNA. This is a small subunit of ribosomal RNA. Okay, now using a small subunit of ribosomal RNA, that is 16S rRNA, as a marker for studying evolutionary relationships. Especially to be bacteria evolutionary relationship and also archaebacteria evolutionary relationship. So that is phylogenetic relationship by means history of organisms. What history? So in those of 2 organisms, what is the history of both 2 organisms? That is evolutionary relationship or phylogenetic relationship. Next coming to Carl Woese and co-workers. Not only Carl Woese and co-workers are observed that the 6th kingdom naturally clusters into 3 main categories or 3 domains. 6 kingdoms are here. Then after 6 kingdoms could be closely naturally clusters into 3 main categories or 3 domains. 6 kingdoms are again to be including divided into 3 categories or 3 domains, such as 3 domains are first domain or first category bacteria, second category second domain archaea, third category third domain eukarya. So this is a bacteria domain, this is a archaebacteria domain, but eukarya all includes protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Why? Because these 4 kingdoms are having true nucleus. So well developed nuclear membrane. So 3 domains are bacteria, archaebacteria and eukarya. That is bacteria, archaea and eukarya. Okay now. eukarya. So not separated to be Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia, both kingdoms are including one domain or one category, such as eukarya. So how many kingdoms are here? 6. But how many categories or how many domains are here? Only 3. That is bacteria, archaea and eukarya. Eukarya includes Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Okay now. And archaea and eukarya are more closely related to each other than the bacteria. Archaea and eukarya. Eukarya means eukaryotes. Bacteria and archaebacteria both are prokaryotes. Bacteria and archaea both are prokaryotes. Not well developed true nucleus. Not well developed nuclear membrane. And eukarya means eukaryotes. Eukarya means eukaryotes. Archaea and eukarya are more closely related to each other than the bacteria. Anyhow, 3 main categories or 3 domains are commonly originated from the early living organisms. That is progenate. So dear students, this is about 6 kingdom system of classification. Okay, now thank you.